How to earn six figures from home. The easiest and fastest way to get started making money from home online is hands down affiliate marketing. Most people have never even heard of this, but the ones who haven't put in the work to educate themselves about it reap great rewards. All the top millionaire gurus you see online have one thing in common. They started with nothing but a computer and internet connection. With the deep desire and willingness to solve the problem of being broke and the dedication to staying persistent, they changed their lives. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that it's such a lucrative business. Most businesses require a lot of upfront cost and planning that are hard to produce and achieve, and that's why a lot of them fail in the very beginning. With affiliate marketing, you are simply directing potential customers to another website or sales page where if they are to make a purchase you get a commission. That's simple. Now of course you will have to put in some work in the beginning, but once you figure it out and hone in your skills, it's like making money on autopilot. You can soon be on your way to financial freedom with the ability to do what you want when you want. Never have to worry about money again. This all starts with taking action. If you want to succeed and do it fast, then you need a jump start. Like anything else in life, it's way faster to learn it from someone else than to try and figure it all out on your own. This is why people go to schools, trade schools and colleges. But all that leads to is ultimately a job that you trade time, you can't get back, for money. The good news is you don't have to go that route. Learn how to set yourself free. If you enjoyed this video and found this information useful, please like, follow and share to help others. I will leave a link where you can get started on your way to financial freedom. You are one click away from a life-changing opportunity. Thanks for watching.